Hello friends and welcome to my new video. If you like my video and you're finding it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask extension on Google Chrome, how to save your private key and where you can find it, how to add a network on your MetaMask wallet, for example Chronos Network, and how to add a token. If you want to make a donation to support my channel and support me in order to better my channel, you can find my BSC address down below, my Binance Smart Chain address, so you can donate BNB or anything. If you are from the UK, join me to trade together commission free on free trade. You're gonna get a share between £3 and £200 for free by using my referral, the link down in the description. If you are new in crypto, join me on Binance by clicking the link in the description and you're gonna get 10% back from your fees. In order to install MetaMask, you'll need Google Chrome or Brave browser. I'm using Google Chrome today and let's get started. Let's Google MetaMask wallet. We're going to the one that is from MetaMask.io download. We choose for Chrome because we want it as extension. You can have it on iOS as well and on Android. On Android you can find it on the Google Play Store, on iOS on App Store, and on Chrome you'll find the link in the description of this video. Scroll down, install MetaMask for Chrome. Then it's redirecting you straight away to MetaMask on the Chrome Web Store. And you just click Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, now it's been added. Just click X. You see the this fox is following you wherever you putting your cursor. So because we're creating a new wallet now, we are going to, yes, let's get set up. These are the terms, you agree? You're adding a password. If you download MetaMask on other device and you add this password, ain't gonna work. The passwords that you are setting up, they are only on the devices that they've been set up from. Agree with the terms, create. Here is a short video how to secure your wallet, but I'll show you by myself how to secure your wallet. Next, after the acceptance of the terms, it's a reminder to save your secret recovery phrase. So the secret recovery phrase, it's a phrase that nobody else than you must know. It must be your secret. You must hold it only for you and share with nobody. If you lose it and you have some cryptos in your wallet, you can have any amount of crypto. If you don't have this phrase to recover your wallet and you don't have your wallet on your device anymore installed, you lose them. Be very careful, it's not a game. You have to save your phrase. We click on it and they're coming 12 words. Now you have to take a paper, that's the safest way that I find, and start handwriting. Alright, click next and it's gonna ask you to put them in a row. In my situation is like this: flower, surface, pride, side, and click confirm. Now congratulations, you passed the test. So we have the wallet now. The MetaMask wallet by default is coming on Ethereum network. So because it's on default on Ethereum network, if you want to add a token, for example Crochcoin, that it's on Chronos Network, we need to add Chronos Network on our wallet. So we Google add Chronos on MetaMask and we are finding many articles for about how to use it on MetaMask. I will choose the one that is from Chronos.org. We will need to add all this information here on our MetaMask. So I'll show you how. You go back to MetaMask, you click the top right icon, settings, networks, add a network, network name, Cronos. So we are looking for Crochcoin, and Crochcoin is on Chronos Network. This is the new RPC. You just copy and paste into MetaMask. Here. ChainID 25. The currency symbol is CRO, and the block explorer chronoscan.com. Block explorer, paste it here and save. Chronos was successfully added. You'll find this network in the description and some other networks like BNB, Polygon, MATIC and Fantom. So this is our Chronos wallet. If you want to switch back to Ethereum, click here, Ethereum. If you want to switch back to Cronos, Cronos. Here is the address. If somebody wants to send you some crypto in this address, in this Cronos wallet, you click this, copy. That's your address. If you want to see it better, you click on account details here, and you see this, it's your public address. You're sending this address to the one who wants to send you the crypto. Let's go back to the topic. And that Crosscoin on CoinMarketCap. This is the address here. So here you can see the address. You click on it and it's opening you the Chronos scan, infos about the token, and you can find the address here. Or you just click copy address. You go to MetaMask, import tokens, paste. It's coming automatically. Crouch 9 token decimal, and then you add token. Import tokens. That's it. It shows that we have 0 crouch. That's true, we have 0. Going back. So we have our Cronos and our Crouch coins. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good one.